Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Courtney, your host, and today we're going to be talking about a couple of different things. First, being how you can make money online today, because this YouTube channel is about making money online and how you can do it and make money for you and your family. Okay, so I have a lot of videos coming out. Sorry, I've been incredibly busy with different things in my life. But as always, this YouTube channel is about making money online. So if you like that, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a new video. There will be new videos coming soon. Okay, so let's get into this. Today, I want to talk about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's referring people to items. You already usually do this, and you're not even aware of this. So when you read a book and you're like, oh my gosh, you have to check out this book. It was an amazing read. Or my child loved this movie. Okay. And they go and buy the movie and they're like, oh, this is wonderful. I'm so glad you told me about this. My child loved it. I love the book. I love these pants. The only difference is with affiliate marketing, you're getting paid to refer customers to buy that book, to buy that pair of pants, to buy whatever it is. Okay. So here I want to explain this to you because this literally changed my life. And before you go into, oh my gosh, I don't have tons of money, you don't need to. All you have to do is watch a free webinar. So, are you brand new to affiliate marketing and need help earning your first commission check? Let me show you how easy it is to do it. Look no further than my future millionaire, because I want to give you instant access to my done for you services program, where you basically sit back, relax, and let me create your entire funnel. A funnel is a sales process that you send your customers through. Usually it's getting a free thing, and then they go through the funnel and it's easier for them to convert. But don't get yourself hung up on that, because it gets even better. Okay, to promote overnight millionaire to see your first sale sooner than later. You do not need to be technical, you do not need internet skills to get this, and you don't need $10,000 to invest like most internet gurus. Okay, so here's the meat and potatoes of this. Okay, because I like to break it down for my viewers, because we like everything cut and dry to the point. Okay, phase one, we will advise you on the top converting domain and build your Facebook landing page that we know converts. Okay, they're going to do that for you. We will create your first Facebook ad, including the copy, video, and image that will generate your first sale. Done. You don't have to do any of that. 3, we guarantee your first sale because you get access to my Facebook audience pixel data that has over thousands worth of data of people who buy my offers. Special bonus. When you jump in today, you will instantly get 90% on the front end, and I will bump your 10 to 50% on the back end. If you text me, Wes, I want done for you now, to the number. All right, so you need to do that. Okay, but the best part of this, I'm not going to charge you $20,000 to put a funnel together. Not even half of that. As a matter of fact, once you see the small investment from me and my team to do basically everything for you starting today, and the top marketers, you will think I'm insane or just plain brain dead. It's cool though. I'm here to help as many people win as humanly possible. Unfortunately, I've made millions of dollars by taking the hard, long road to success. And trust me, you do not want to feel this pain. And boy, was it painful. I spent tens of thousands of dollars online trying to figure out how to master affiliate marketing. No bueno. No good. But lucky for you, you can take a shortcut and get results now. I'm talking about quitting your job in the next 30 days, traveling the globe, and enjoying the freedom that you deserve to have. Look, I remember when I was struggling and had just a few cool people help me out. So now I'm paying it forward to whoever has the guts to jump in to see how Sleep Money really works. I mean, just look at my daily payouts. Cool, huh? And you will see similar numbers very soon. Okay, so breakdown, guys. Click the link in the description. Okay, I want you to watch the webinar. Number one, click the link, watch the webinar. That's what I want you to do. Okay, if you're interested in what Wesley has to say, affiliate marketing, why he's telling you it's Sleep Money, they're gonna set up all the ads for you, and you're going to be able to make money in your sleep. Because what happens is you make the ads one time, just like this YouTube video you're watching, and it stays on the platform forever. Okay, so I want you to click the link down in the description, watch this webinar. The webinar is completely free. Okay, if you want to start affiliate marketing today, this is the easiest system that I've ever used. I love affiliate marketing. I love that the system's done for you. I love that I can make unlimited money. I love that I don't have to deal with customer service. I love that I don't have to deal with returns. Okay. This is amazing. So I want you guys to jump in, watch this webinar, take a few minutes out of your day, probably about 45 minutes, and watch what Ariella has to say, because this will truly change your life. I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. I also want to thank all my subscribers for sharing this video, for commenting, for liking, for subscribing and hitting the bell notification, because it really helps out this channel. I love to teach people how to make money online to reach new heights. There will be new videos out today. I will be doing GPT site reviews and how you make money with that. I'll also be bringing you other ways that you can sign up to make money today, such as drop shipping, more affiliate marketing training, and more GPT sites. So if you like that kind of video, please subscribe, share, comment, hit the bell notification so you get notified. But with that being said, I will see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video and take advantage of watching the webinar. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.